Welcome back to the FNS Development Training Series. In the last video, we explored the FNS package structure and learned how each folder contributes to your project. In this tutorial, we're going to take a hands-on look at the migrations folder and learn how to write and organize database migration scripts for your FNS. By the end of this video, you will understand what migrations are and why they're important in FNS development, and learn how to create your first database migration files. What are migrations? Migrations are SQL scripts that define how your database schema evolves over time. They allow you to safely update, modify, or roll back changes to your tables without losing existing data. Each migration includes two parts: an up script, which applies changes like creating a table, and a down script, which reverses it for rollbacks. The FNS framework expects these files to follow a specific naming convention. 1 description of the change.up.sql and 1 description of the change.down.sql. Each migration number must be unique and sequential, starting from 1. Missing or incorrectly numbered files will cause packaging errors later on. Let's walk through a quick example. In your migrations folder, create a new file called 0001_create_systems_table.up.sql. Inside this file, add the following SQL command: create table systems, parentheses, system names, text, primary key, parentheses, semicolon. This command creates a simple table named Systems that will store the names of all of your systems that your FNS will retrieve from ProCaaSo Event Bus. The data retrieval will be covered later in the video series. Next, create the corresponding down file, 0001_create_systems_table.down.sql. If you don't need to reverse the change, you can leave the file empty, but it still must exist for your package to pass validation. For this example, we will not be including any rollbacks, so we will go ahead and leave it empty. How migrations work. When you deploy your FNS, the ProCaaSo FNS SDK automatically executes your migration scripts in order. However, during local development, you will need to run them manually. Later in the series, we'll use a helper function in FNS.py to apply these migrations locally when starting your server for development. To summarize, migrations define how your database changes over time. Each one includes an up and down script. Your first migration that we just created in the example creates the systems table, which will populate later when connecting to ProCaaSo. Great work! You've just completed your first migration and learned how database schemas are defined inside your FNS. In the next video, we'll move into the task folder where we'll connect your migration to live data.